Minninnewah. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Northern Canadian County, extreme southeastern Kingfisher County, extreme northwestern Oklahoma County, southwestern Logan County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and destructive tornado was located 12 miles southwest of Minninnewah, or 12 miles south of Calumet, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Minninnewah. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, trained weather spotters. At 6:29 p.m., mobile Doppler radar estimated wind speeds over 315 miles per hour within the tornado. At 6:28 p.m., emergency management reported absolute devastation of all above ground structures, with significant ground scouring in Hinton. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.